So behind me, we got some mulberry trees, which are delicious fruit. You can see some baby mulberries forming. Now, mulberries come from countries where in winter the plant gets cold enough to lose all its leaves. So over here, since it never gets cold enough, the leaves just get really old and attract lots of bugs. When I got here, this tree was covered in white flies. So we cut off a whole bunch of the branches of the old leaves, and we mulch them right underneath. So if you can see here, we're starting to build up a little carpet of biomass, and we just have to keep feeding it. So all the leaves from the yard can be thrown right on these growing spaces, and over time we'll be building up the fertility, and these fruits are going to taste a lot sweeter. Yeah. So another thing, these trees were covered in white flies, and in order to get rid of them, we just used a garden hose, and with my fingers I crushed them all. So there's no need for dangerous chemicals. You can just come here whenever there's a problem, wash it down, and no longer need to worry about those bugs.